Hello everyone and welcome back. This is to update you that I finally decided to get installed this car charger at home, and I looked at various options and finally decided to go with the Tesla's wall charger, which is like Tesla's universal wall connector, and it comes with inbuilt adapter that can help to charge any electric vehicle. The build looks quite solid, and also it's quite good looking. The packaging says made on earth by humans. That is typical Elon Musk touch to design of this wall connector. So it can charge Tesla and any other EV without a problem. The total cost for Tesla's wall charger, which is a universal version, and the latest one is $658 approximately, including taxes. And then for getting it installed, obviously I needed a certified electrician, and they charge about $650. But then you also get some credit. So I'm in Massachusetts, and for installing such EV chargers, you can get up to $700 rebate offered by the government. It also indicates the cost of the charger is not eligible for rebate. So if installation cost was about $650, so $700 easily covers that.
You take it if you want. Okay, hang on. I wanted to detach it with this thing, but I'll take it.
So installation took about 45 minutes. Now after getting it installed, I was looking at like how we can monitor various things. So looks like Tesla's app is now available for even monitoring non-Tesla vehicles or EVs. So that was a good news. And so I set up an account in Tesla's app. So when you go inside Tesla's app and click on menu on the upper right corner, it will bring up my products, and that's where you'll be able to add a new product from Tesla. So in this case, this is a wall connector. So once you choose that, you can go through all the steps that are quite easy, I would say. So during the process, it will also help you to update the software on that charger by uploading new firmware. It takes about 10 minutes to do everything, including connecting with the Wi-Fi. So once we follow all the steps, you also need to scan the QR code that comes with that small startup manual that you get with Tesla's universal charger. In the box, initially, like when I looked at the charger, the connector is same that comes for a Tesla car that you can plug in into this charger. There's a button at the top. So when you press that button at the top, so the quick start manual indicates that it will come out so that any EV can be charged. But note that it will not come out unless it is connected to electricity. So there is a locking mechanism, but once everything is all set and your wall connector is ready to go, at that time when you press the top button, it comes out very easily. So all the setup is now complete for Tesla wall charger, and without electricity connection, this thing was not coming out. I only had this Tesla charger, but now just by pressing this, we can get universal charger. And the green light comes on and charging starts. So this is a level 2 charger, and recently I've been charging using ChargePoint, and the actual power it provides is 5.9 kilowatts. It's a level 2 charger and adds about 18 miles in an hour. So I compared this performance with the Tesla's universal wall connector and charged the vehicle for about an hour, and notice that the power it provides is about 7.2 kilowatts. So compared to ChargePoint, which was providing 5.9, it is slightly higher, and at that rate it adds about 22 miles in 1 hour. So obviously not as fast as a supercharger and also not as slow as a level 1 charger, which charges only like 5 miles per hour. And especially when charging at home, time is really not a problem because you can even charge overnight, or you can schedule charging depending on what you need. So it becomes much more convenient. Overall installation by these certified electricians did not take much time. It seemed to me that it will take at least 2-3 hours, but they were able to complete everything within about 40-45 minutes, and it was ready to go. So it was only a question of getting the app and setting up, getting it connected, and once everything was set up, then it was very smooth. So this was a quick update about getting this Tesla's universal wall charger installed. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for joining.